Esalen Institute and this land have given me so much and really changed the trajectory of my life that this is a place that I just very deeply want to get back to and to be of service. The first time ever I was here at Esalen was back in 1980 for a night bath, and took a bath from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. when I was a young teenager when we were camping, and drove back to our campsite. Woke up the next day at noon and we're like, what the heck just happened? I didn't return for 30 years. As my life kind of started going through changes, I was not feeling that my job and my career were serving me, and my marriage and relationship were changing. This came to be a place for me of deep reflection, healing, growth, and ultimately profound transformation. I've lived here for work scholar months, a month at a time. I've gotten so much from this place that it's really my desire and my honor and privilege to give back to this place. I volunteer here to help out whenever I can, in the farm, in the kitchen, in the cabins department. I just want to give back to Esalen in every way I can. I put Esalen in my estate plan, and I just want to reciprocate. I've received so much from here, and at the same time, I want to give back, and it is my pleasure and honor to be able to give back to the Institute and the place that has given me so much.